is an internal matter which party and our disciplinary action committee is in the process, and it is all we are going through as per the constitution of our party. So it is an internal matter, and then the time will tell. So the thing is already started. Let's hope everything will went up as per the rules.
Do you think that it will affect since it's in the high time of election that is going on? So what do you say on that?
No, since every members are the sensible members, so if they have any guilty against the party, definitely they will not come in favor of the party. So it is up to the person concerned whether they are really the real Congress members. If they feel that they are the real Congress members, they will work for the Congress. If they have any thought on them, then definitely they are not going to support.
Thank you.
Thank you.